I'm going to show you guys in this video how to fix Pokemon Masters sound problem. So to fix this problem, guys, you should go and open the settings of your device. Click on apps option and search for Pokemon Masters and click. Scroll this list down, click right now storage option, click clear cache. After that back, click on force stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store and update Pokemon Masters. Restart here guys your device and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next tutorial.